Good evening, sir, madam. Welcome. Are you ready to order?
Good evening. Yes, I think we are.
Actually, I'm still deciding between the grilled chicken and the steak.
Both are very popular. The steak is our chef's special today. It comes with roasted vegetables and mashed potatoes.
That sounds tempting.
How would you like it cooked? We can prepare it rare, medium, or well done.
Medium, please.
Excellent choice. And for you, madam?
I'll have the grilled salmon with rice, please.
Very good. Would you like soup or salad as a starter?
I'll take a small salad.
I'll have the tomato soup.
Perfect. And what would you like to drink?
Just water for me.
I'd like some fresh orange juice, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Wonderful. I'll be back shortly with your drinks.
I'm glad we chose this place. It's so cozy.
Yes, and the atmosphere is really calm, perfect for dinner.
I hope the salmon is good.
I'm sure it will be, and if it's not, we'll come back and try something else next time.
Here you are, water and fresh orange juice.
Thank you.
Your starters will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your evening.